Hello viewers, my name is Christopher Okoli. I'm a student of 2019 MMMC Guided School Batch 2. I am in Group 9 in Circle 3. Our business game task was to develop MMMC in Thailand. We carried out this assignment and made presentation to that and has given me knowledge on how to develop this MMMC in another country. During this course, I had a lot of experiences. I learned a lot in this Gada school training. Some of the experiences I got during this training include it helped me to understand the ideology of MMMC, how MMMC works, and also the benefits of MMMC to all the participants. I was able to learn also the evolution of MMMC, how it started, where it started from, and what motivated the founder to bring up this program called MMMC. I learned how to make presentations that will attract new members to participate in MMMC. I also learned how to promote MMMC in social medias such as the YouTube, the Facebook, and other social networks. I learned how to promote MMMC in another country. So this training has quite exposed me on how to promote this program of MMMC in order to attract more members and thereby make the system to be stable. Also in the course of this training, I was able to learn how to use some Google tools which I never knew how to make use of, which include the Google Forms, Google Sheets, the Google Docs, and also how to record presentations on video and also to share it to others. So the program has really taught me a lot. And I thank our mentor Humble Smart. He has really done a lot in training us, in exposing us, in making us know this MMC more. Thank him very much. And I also thank other leaders that worked with him, the secretary, the class rep, and my fellow participants. I thank especially those in my circle 3 of Group 9. I thank them a lot. They help a lot in carrying out our task. I therefore enjoin everybody to use this experience I have gathered to promote MMMC so that more participants will come in and thereby make the system stable and beautiful. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody.